Understanding, far from the best, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, far from the best. This idiom can be a bit confusing, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly. So, let's dive in. Far from the best is an idiomatic expression in English. It is used to describe something that is not very good or below average in quality. This phrase emphasizes a significant gap between the subject and what is considered the best. It's important to note that it does not necessarily mean the worst. It simply indicates that the subject is nowhere near the top in terms of quality or preference. To understand this phrase better, let's break it down. Far implies a large distance. From indicates a point of reference. The best refers to the highest quality or standard. When combined, these words suggest that the subject is a long way off from reaching the highest standard. Let's see how far from the best is used in sentences. 1. The movie we watched last night was far from the best. I wouldn't recommend it. 2. His performance was far from the best, but he's still learning. 3. While the hotel was clean, the service was far from the best. These examples help to illustrate that the phrase is often used to express disappointment or to gently criticize. English has several expressions with similar meanings. Not up to par indicates something does not meet the expected standard. Leaves a lot to be desired suggests something is unsatisfactory or lacking. Not the greatest, a less intense way of saying something isn't very good. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, far from the best. Remember, English is full of idioms and expressions, and learning them can be fun and rewarding. Don't hesitate to use this phrase in your conversations to sound more natural and fluent. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.